I quit my job.
You quit your job? What kind of job did you have?
Football job.
A workshop job?
Yeah.
Why did you quit your job? Why did you
I didn't have any customers.
You didn't have any customers? We need to do some advertising.
Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and welcome to a weekend vlog. We're just gonna carry you through our weekend. Today is Valentine's Day. The girls just opened their little Valentine's treats. Yeah, she got a little baby called a baby born, and it has different ones, and she's really...
And it can pop right off.
Sophie, be careful with that.
She's really excited about it. Okay, so today is an upside down day. What's an upside down day, Katie?
When we go shopping in the morning on a Friday.
Yeah, when we do our errands. A lot of times on Fridays, we will do our errands first. So today we're going to go to brunch because it is Friday. And then the next thing we need to do is go to Sam's. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we finished up brunch and then we went to Target. We had some returns to do this morning. We also had a few things to get. So finished up that. Apparently everybody's out of school today because traffic is horrendous and everything is just taking way longer than it should. So I think right now we're gonna go on home so I can make supper, and then this afternoon we need to go pick up Katie's point shoes across town. So we're gonna do that, and I think we're gonna push Sam's to tomorrow after dance, just because we're kind of running out of time, but we'll see. Either that or we'll do it after dance today.
So we are going to the dance store to pick up some shoes.
For the record. Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear. For the record. Get this one thing. Get this one thing
So we're back from running errands. I am getting some spaghetti and meatballs together for supper. So we're gonna have that and then watch a movie tonight with the girls. These are our treats for Valentine's Day. We got these chocolate covered strawberries, which probably, Sophie will probably not eat those. And honestly, I don't think Sophie's gonna eat either one of these. And then Katie wanted these, but we have some Hershey candy for Sophie, so she'll be good. Did you get dressed all by yourself? You did, look at you. You ready to go, Sophie?
Yay.
Yes.
I've been from my bed to dance, and now I want to go back to my bed.
But we're going to Rock Hill. You ready, Gary?
Do I want to leave it
Where
there?
you go?
Do I go in?
Did you ever stop and think why spend too much time just getting ready?
So this was actually a difficult day. We were heading to Rock Hill for a party. The party is for a friend of Gary's, and that friend has terminal cancer. And so we would just like to ask you, I know a lot of y'all do pray, a lot of y'all that follow our channel pray, and for those of you that do, we'd just like to ask you to pause the video right now and pray for Gary's friend and his family. They're a homeschooling family and they have 6 children. If you could just pray for them, we'd really appreciate that. So after we attended the party, which was on the campus of Winthrop University, Gary wanted to kind of take us on a campus tour and honestly relive the glory days a little bit. So we're going to show you a little bit of the campus.
During Hurricane Hugo, there was a tornado that actually went down Oakland Avenue straight through here and took out all the fencing that was here. And a tree went through a window of a girl's dorm over here.
There's the admissions office.
Yeah, that's changed. That didn't used to be there. That's also the inn at Winthrop. There's like a inn there for parents to stay at or something. That's the business building. That's where Daddy got most of his classes to get his degree. That was my room, and if you look right there, that little thing right there, that's the little fan thing that we used to drop the golf balls down in.
Yeah, that is just a terrible story. It's just all shame on you, Gary Eubanks.
They're not Eubanks.
I wonder what the statute of limitations is on that.
Yep. That is the fraternity house.
Okay, we're just leaving Winthrop University. We just got a little tour from Gary. Showed us the campus and told us all the old stories again.
Only the ones that were family friendly.
Only the family friendly stories, which was not many. So now we're heading to Ikea. We have a return to make there, and we'll probably walk around a little bit. We'll show you. What do you think about the parking lot?
I don't like parking lot.
You don't like it?
Don't like it at all.
I don't like it, Sam. I am. Looks like Christmas time, doesn't it? Every day is Christmas at Ikea.
No, Christmas at
This is why I don't come here on the weekend.
Apparently not a good idea.
Not a good idea to do that.
Not a good idea. So let us know down below if you think we'll find a parking spot. We have a potty emergency.
Again.
Yeah, again. You gonna hang in there, Sophie? Yes. See there. Come on, we'll be all right.
Promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours. 'Cause I want you and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you.
Remember how you were saying that you wanted a hand decoration in the home? Where's that? Where's that?
It's a song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours. 'Cause I want you and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing.
Okay. We finished up at Ikea and we are going to the Culver's, which is basically in the parking lot. Apparently it's a burger place. I've never been there. Have you ever been there, Gary?
Nope.
But Katie's been there. She says it's good. So we're trusting her recommendation for supper. So I think we all got the same thing. A cheeseburger and fries. Is that what everybody got? And Sophie
What does it taste to be a burger though?
got grilled cheese.
White.
Katie was right. What was she right about?
Polish.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? Did you like it, Gary?
It was good, yes.
Yeah, so
Did you
now,
like it, Katie?
Very good.
all right, so what are we doing now?
Turning the heat seater on and
I know, it's really getting cold.
the steering wheel here.
Temperature just dropped outside, it's about
Like
48
45
degrees.
outside.
Oh yeah, it's dropping. Oh yeah, we're in Charlotte right now, heading back home, and so we're probably gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. I don't think there's anything else today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.